Welcome to Gray Overload. I'm Anthony, and here we got the Framework 13 AMD Ryzen 5 laptop here. So let's do a quick unboxing. I did pick up a Crucial T700 Pro Gen 5 1 terabyte, as well as I have some Crucial 32 gig kit that I will test this out. So if you're curious about this kit, I'll let you know how it goes through the review. You can leave a comment and I'll let you know. But here we go. Let's see, can I get this there? So this is the inside of the box. You have the framework here. So let's see, they got, oh, look at that. Oh, my kids are gonna love the stickers. And so we got stickers, more stickers here. Whoops. Let's get those all in. Stickers. And then we have a little emblem sticker, which my kids will love. And then just some information here. What is it? Manual stuff. So warranty, all that other stuff. So a little bit there if you're curious, but that is what's on top. Nice packing so far. Nice little intro. So that's there, and then we can go down to the main part of it. Now this is a DIY 13, and so I did have the power adapter because my wife needs one, so we have the power adapter here. And let's see, this just opens up. You have the same USB-C cord, the 90-degree on there. You have power, and so that goes there, and then you have the little power brick. Nice, all this is recyclable, so the power brick is here. You have the USB on this side, you have power on this side, so nice little brick. I mean, the brick works great, so let's see, what else do we have? Nothing there. On the bottom here, there's nothing in there, but let's jump to the fun part, which is the bezel. So since you can choose your bezel color, and so this is the bezel. I think, what did my wife get? I believe it's black. So she got black, and I did order a D-brand skin for her, so I might actually go through and put that on as well once it comes in. She'll be using it already. Whoops, I'm hitting the camera. But here it is packed. So we got that, the bezel. I'm just going to throw all this off to the side. Nice little recyclable cardboard, which I like because I have a compost pile, so a lot of this, this bland cardboard like this just degrades greatly. This is also just seems like a little bit of paper, and then we have our bezel here. And since this is a DIY, we'll get to put that on. So let's see here. Input cover. So you get to choose the input cover. They actually done a really good job with the customizing stuff. I have to say I do appreciate what they've done there with this. This is English, of course, and having the customizable stuff will allow you to really kind of customize it however you need to, and not hopefully create that much more waste of products you don't need. So we're going to put that over here again. This is in another little paper tray or cardboard tray, and then you have a nice little piece of cardboard around it to protect it, and then here's the input cover for the top. Let's take this off. So I remember when I got my 12th gen, it wasn't like this. If you go back and do that unboxing, here it is, the input cover, so we'll have to put that on here. Here's the actual framework. Got a nice little packing there as well. It comes in also a nice little paper sleeve. So that's what I got. Framework 13 DIY edition 7040, which is the Ryzen 5 7640U. In the review, I'll go through the processors and everything else there. So we have this. Whoops. And let's see. Oh man, trying to get all this out. I have to say, they really put a nice seal around this. And here it comes out. So screws are already kind of unscrewed there because we got to put everything in. So this is how it is. There, you can see the little plastic there. I think you can see that, right? So we'll put this off to the side, and then here is the last part of the box, which is your everything else you ordered, which should only be, that looks right. So let's see here, we got this little screwdriver here, and let's see here, we got 2 USB-Cs, an HDMI, and an A. And if I put these in wrong, I will adjust them. Because for the AMD one, they do have recommendations where to put these cards. So just keep that in mind as you're going through this as well. But let's see here. Let's see what they got. So here is the framework, a nice little plastic piece to keep it all together. And so let's see, we got the bezel we got to put on, we got the battery, we got the storage we have to put in. So let's see, there's a screw for the storage already. Let's put the storage in. So this is just the Crucial T700. And what's nice is that Framework gives you this screwdriver for all this. I'll probably do a video as well, or give a little instruction on how to. Did I have the right thing here, or is it the other side? It could be the other way. I'm just not. Yep, it's this. I am just not looking at that much, so working through the camera is a little bit more difficult. Oops. Take that screw, hopefully not lose it. We get that in there. Now, here we go. So this is going to be an unboxing and a little. And I mean, if you're looking to take the Framework apart, here's a good view of what it is inside. They do have, you know, all these little items, QR codes everywhere to help you out. We got the memory there. You have the wireless card over here. You have, what is that? Yep, so it's all these scanned QR codes. Here's the memory, and then you have the battery. Wish that this would have came with the bigger battery, but can't have everything. Let's throw the RAM in here. Let's see. And this is the Crucial DDR5 5600 2x16, so 32 gig kit. And let's see here. So this goes this way. Well, let's see. Can I? Or does it go the other way? Well, it goes the other way. There we go. Just snaps in. And here we go on this side. Let's see. Goes the other way. Of course, I had to throw it in there backwards. So then we have those two there. Now it's going to be the keyboard. We should get the keyboard on, and they have just one connector here. As you can see, that one connector goes right here. Oh, whoops, my camera decided to turn on me. Wrong way. Sorry. It doesn't know what it's doing. Huh. This gimbal, I need a new one. If you guys have a suggestion on gimbal, let me know. I'm putting in memory, it's turning on me. So it goes right here and plugs in. Really kind of nice. It's got a nice, it's actually got a longer cable, so as long as I can see this, man, looking through the camera here is not as nice as it is when you can work up closer. So make sure it's taut or pressed down nice and tight there. One nice thing that they did do with this is that there should be, let's see here. I don't accidentally press the power button. So it looks like there's, let me see here. It's not going straight flat on. Let's see, you have a little bit up in here. There we go. Oh, it might be caught in the screws underneath. Or this is caught. Let's see if there's a routing thing. Let's see. Again, it's turning. This is ridiculous. The gimbal's just being so stupid. Let's see there. That all goes in. That's all nice tight. So let's put the bezel on as it tries to continue to do stuff. So bezel goes on. There we go. It has, just so you know, on the bezel here, you'll see it has a couple little tabs over the camera and the other sensor, IR sensor there. So this is all. What I do like is that they do have. Let's see how many times I can use that word in a sentence. They have on/off, right, for the mic and stuff. Whoops, up there. But well, let's go through and we are all ready to put the 5 screws in. What's nice is that there's 5 screws in it. You just put it in. So I will tighten these down and we'll throw in some cards and we'll be good to go. And then I'll probably do separately. See if this gimbal can be, you know, any less stupid. I don't know. This thing. Again, if you have a gimbal suggestions, I will be taking them because obviously this one decides that it doesn't like me. And I did get the deluxe D brand, so she'll have it on the bottom, the top, all over the place. So trackpad. Let's see here. So we have USB-C. Again, if I put these in the wrong spots, I will change it. USB-C. And I probably get it set up before I do that anyways. Install Windows. She'll have Windows on this because bring it back. That's what she's using currently. And I'm not, it's got to be easy for her to use. I'm not going through and making it complicated. But here we go. And of course I'll have to set up Windows on here. I'm not sure that this would have any power, but just let me see here. I think I have it. Let's see. Do I? Yeah, I do have a power strip here. So obviously I was thinking a little bit before this happened. Again, this gimbal is just moving on me. It's been doing this for a while. I thought I fixed it, but no, it's not fixed anymore. It's doing whatever it wants to. So I'm just getting this cord untangled here. And then I'll plug it in. And we'll see if she starts up. Because that would be great. Let's see here. Looks like it has a light there. Let's see, is that booting up here? It's got a light. It's charging, according to it, it's charging. So I think this is Windows. Well, it's charging. Who knows what it's doing. I don't know how full this comes from there, but just a quick look at the screwdriver here. It does come with a, you can see that, a 2 sides. So you got a Phillips there, and then you got a star bit. And then it's got a little nice separator there, so you can take things off and separate. But that is a quick unboxing, quick put together. I will, oh, there it is. Framework is up there, so that's good. I think that there might be a BIOS update for this board as well, especially if you're running Linux. They already got one out, so If you watched my last video, you'll know I said something about that here, but I'm going to take this and set it up now and, well, stop this, get the gimbal hopefully working a little bit so while I can set that up. But thank you so much for watching and helping this channel grow. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully that you've taken something from this on this new Framework 13 AMD edition here, and until next time, God bless.